Good morning, YouTube. It is 6:50 on Christmas morning, and we're gonna go on a little early morning cruise. And yeah, I'm just gonna put this video together and just kind of speak some random thoughts. Gonna be very minimal editing, but yeah, mainly I wanted to put this together to say thank you guys for 2023, and I guess kind of what we have planned for 2024, what our goals are. But starting off 2023, I had a long reach goal of hitting 1,000 subscribers. I really didn't think I would actually hit it this year, and for that I really want to thank every single one of you guys who have subscribed and have tuned in to watch any of my videos. It may not be the most entertaining video, not the most exciting video, but I'm just here making it for fun, documenting the progress of my builds. Really, that's about it. I'm just glad that there are 1,000 of you guys watching, and not just 1,000 of you guys watching, but 1,000 of you guys who have thought my videos were entertaining enough to stay subscribed. So thank you guys very much for that. I am truly blessed by every single one of you guys who have tuned in, and I'm especially blessed for the things that have happened this year. Like I bought one S2000 and I ended up with the second one, and honestly that's just a twist of fate that I never expected to happen, and I am truly blessed and fortunate for that to have happened. It's ridiculous odds for that to even happen in the first place, and for that to happen, to me, in my opinion, I'm just truly blessed for that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for 2023. It's been a wonderful year. It's been an amazing year of many things that have happened, and I'm very happy for that. And again, I'll say it again, I'm a broken record, but thank you again so much. 2024 is going to be here next week by the time this video comes up, and I don't really have a whole ton set for 2024. It's going to be mostly the same thing as usual, just making videos of me installing stuff, and documenting the progress as I go along. So if there's anything different you guys would like to see, maybe a different build, a different car, a different project, let me know down in the comments, because I'm open to feedback. I'm open to anything you guys want me to see. I make these videos both for me and for you guys, so if there's something you guys want to see, let me know. I'll try my best to make those videos. As far as cars go, the Accord is probably going to stay. There's probably not much going to be done to it. I feel like a broken record. I've said this multiple times before, but it's a great daily. Has just enough power to have enough fun and potentially get you into trouble, but I feel like the ceiling for a nice daily has been reached on this car. Like, there are a couple things I could do if I wanted to add more power, but like, this is still my daily. This is the car that I enjoy driving every single day. So not really much to do on this car. Maybe air suspension, but that's a maybe. I don't know if I'm going to do that, but that's a potential idea. If there is anything you would like to see, drop it down in the comments. Maybe I'll end up doing that. So Accord, nothing much to do. My main focus is primarily going to be on the blue S2000. That one has been my focus recently. I just finished installing a couple mods that will be in a video coming out after this. But that car is going to be my autocross and occasional track duty car. And really, this entire year is going to be focused on me learning that car, because it's such a different car that I've been used to. I've been driving front-wheel drive my entire life. It's my first rear-wheel drive car, and a very unforgiving one at that. So it's going to be an entire year of learning for that car, and a lot of modifying for that car. So that's going to be those plans for the blue S2000. as far as the silver one, the AP1 goes, in the background I've been kind of fixing it up a little bit more, making the occasional video on it, but not getting too attached to it, honestly, because I think the reality is I'm probably going to end up selling that car because I don't need two S2000s. It's been fun driving that one and just putzing around in it and not caring, but I have no need for a second one, and so odds are that silver one is going to be sold at some point in the spring, and the funds for that will probably go into the blue S2000 or potentially a second or a third vehicle. I had thrown around the idea of possibly getting my motorcycle license and getting into a motorcycle for fun as well. So that may be something you'll see in the future. But honestly, I'm kind of back and forth, wishy-washy on it about getting a motorcycle because I don't know. I like safety. I know, like, when you get onto a motorcycle, you kind of become your own safety. You tend to be a little more safe, but I don't know. That's a 50-50 on whether or not I will get a motorcycle this year or not. Well, yeah, that's 2024. That's really it for this video. I just want to thank you guys again so much for a wonderful year we've had and for staying subscribed, and hopefully you guys look forward to what's coming for 2024. Just let me down in the comments. Let me know again down in the comments what you guys want to see in this upcoming year. But without that, thank you guys. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, and spend that time with family, and make sure you cherish the time you have with them. So peace out.